Hello, I'm going to show you how to assign the text-to-speech accommodation for individual students who have a test read aloud accommodation in their IEP. The first thing you'll do when you log into MAP is click Manage Test Sessions. This tutorial is working under the impression that you have already built your testing sessions by creating individual rosters like you have done in the past. So what you will do then is go to your saved testing sessions. You will select the testing session that has students in that session that you want to assign accommodations to. Once you click this, you click Edit Session. From here, what you're going to do is select all of the students whose IEPs indicate that text-to-speech read aloud is an accommodation. For the purposes of this tutorial, what I click is completely random. I don't know who has what accommodation. So once you have this selected, you're going to click this Assign Accommodations button. This box will pop up. You'll scroll down a bit, and you will select Text-to-Speech. You'll then click Assign. Once you've done that, you'll see over here that it is confirmed which students have accommodations assigned to their individual test. Once you're all done, you will click Save Session, and then you'll be all set. Once you know that it's time for you to test, you will go back to your saved testing session, select the session that you want to test, and click Test Now. And again on this screen you will see confirmation about the students that have indeed been assigned this accommodation. Any questions, let me know. I'm also going to send you the written copy from NWEA about how to do this. Thanks much.